This is Elena from ServiceMonster. Now let's review how to create a call campaign. Call campaigns are another one of the awesome marketing features available to our Grow and Premier customers. But first, what is a call campaign? A call campaign creates call activities within ServiceMonster and/or an export file of the audience's information for external use. Call campaigns are a great way to reach out to your clients and prospects and remind them of all your business has to offer. All right, let's hop on in and take a look. From the home screen, click on Marketing in the main menu, then select the Campaigns icon. From here, you can create, edit, view, filter, and run your campaigns. To create a new call campaign, click on the plus campaign button at the top, then select Calls. Once you choose what type of campaign you want to create, you'll start building an audience. You have 3 options to choose from to help build your audience: Basic, Standard, and Advanced. The Basic option lets you pick from an audience from a predefined list of filters. We've done the work of setting up the filters for you, so all you have to do here is pick one of the options from the list. You can also use this as a starting point for the campaign and go in and edit, or add in different filters later. Our Standard option lets you check off boxes to create the filters you want and build your audience. These include account filters, invoice filters, and appointment filters. The Advanced option lets you build your audience from scratch. From the New Campaign page, you can click on the Zero Accounts Filtered button, then click on the Add Condition button to start adding in your own filters. This is only recommended for those with experience in building campaigns in ServiceMonster already. Let's move forward with the basic audience. Select your target audience from the list, then review the filter results that appear. This list is now the full list of your chosen accounts to target. Click Next when you're ready. Now you can edit the campaign details. Give your campaign a name and a description, and assign a group and subgroup from the drop-down menu if you wish. You can create a new group or subgroup by clicking on the blue plus button to the right of the field. Click Next when you're ready. Now you can choose to just save or save and run. If you click Save and Run, it will take you to the Campaign Details page and open up the Settings window to run the campaign immediately. If you click Save, it will save and take you to the Campaign Details page. On the Campaign Details page, you have the option to make a copy of the campaign, check the filters that are on the campaign, or add in new filters, run the campaign, delete the campaign, and edit the details of the campaign. The Transactions tab allows you to see the details of all the past times that the campaign has run. You can also run the campaign at any time by clicking on the Run Campaign button. To run a call campaign, click on the Run Campaign button. Next, you can choose to Create Export File or Create Call List. Select Create Call List. Delete pending marketing calls. Here you can choose to delete pending marketing calls. This will help to clear out your activities and remove past marketing calls that have not been completed. Call date. Here you can choose the date the call should be done on. Send calls to. Here you can either select all users or specify specific users in ServiceMonster who should be handling the calls. Target count. This is the number of clients who are being sent this call. Cost. This is an optional box where you can enter your cost information about a campaign. This may be helpful if you're running campaigns outside of ServiceMonster that have an associated cost. When you're ready, click Run Campaign, and the campaign will process and change to say Complete when it's done. Once you click Close, the campaign page will update to include information about the last campaign run at the bottom of the page. and the campaign results to the right will update as the campaign is used as a lead source for orders. You can track these call activities by going into Accounts in the main menu, then selecting the Activities icon. Here you can see a list of all your activities, which you can filter to just show pending activities or call activities by using the drop-down menu. Finally, be sure to take a look at your results. Head over to Reports in the main menu, then under Marketing, take a look at your campaign results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to visit our help site for more information or contact our friendly support team if you have any further questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!